In this video lesson, I will show you what is a Pip value calculator for the instrument Canadian dollar against CHF, which is a Swiss franc. So this Pip value calculator will have a link below this video inside the description, so you can go to the article and use this Pip value calculator. But also you will have an article which will explain how these calculations are made. Let me show you first what is Pip value calculator fields that you need to use, and also on the right side you will see a trading platform where I will show you an examples with the one trade open and also how to calculate the pips. First field here is the number of pips. In my case I have put 1, which is equal to 1 pip. Here you have an instrument which is Canadian dollar against CHF, but you can also change this one if you would like to make other calculations. Then you have here the units, which is a trade size, and that means how many units you would like to use in trading in this calculation. That means if you put 100,000 units, that means one lot. So you can also put your mouse here and change the lots, which means instead using units you can use also the number of lots. So one lot is equal to 100,000 units. I will put units as I have started with this video. Then you have a deposit currency. I have put this one to US dollar, and the reason is because if you go to the trading platform you can see my trading account is in US dollar. So I would like to make calculation for a 1 pip value in US dollars, so it shows me the correct amount of money I could make or lose on a trade. Then you have here Canadian CHF 1 pip size, and that means what is how many decimal point on which decimal point is 1 pip. In my case 1 pip is on the fourth decimal point, and that means if you go here to the trading platform you can see the currency symbol price, it has 5 decimal point. 5th decimal point is the number of pipettes, so I'm now not counting the 5th decimal point. When you go to the fourth decimal point, that means the number of pips. So this is the same value I got. And you have here USD CHF price, and this is additional currency price. I need to make the calculation for the pip value in the deposit currency, which is not equal to any of these two inside the instrument, Canadian dollar or CHF. I have US dollar as a deposit currency, so I need US CHF additional price to make the calculation. How to make this calculation for the third currency, which is not inside the instrument, these two currencies, you can go to the article here and you will see how to make the pip value calculation for example, for the base currency, for the quote currency, and also for the third currency, which is not any of these. For example, I have put US dollar. And below that, at the end, you will have also an example how to make calculation for 20 pips price difference, so you can see how the calculations are made. If you do not want to use manual calculation, you can simply use this Pip value calculator. Now let's go here to the trading platform and open an order. For example, I will use volume, which is 1 lot, and open a sell order. Here in this row you can see immediately in the column where the profit is, how many pips, and also here how much money in US dollar I am in profit or in loss. In this case it says minus 13, which means minus 1.3 pips. So when you put here minus 1.3 and click calculate, you get minus 14.77. So let's see it is the same value or not. I have currently minus 12. Let's change this one to number 2 so we can easily follow. It has changed right now to 13. Let's return back. You can see it here. It is the same value, minus 14.77. You can see that this Pip value calculator calculates the same amount as this trading platform. So for example, if you would like to put a stop loss or take profit, let's change this one here. Let's put 10 pips and also 10 pips for the stop loss and take profit. Click modify. Let's check them on the trading platform. Here it is, take profit. Let's put our mouse here and you will see that it says profit $97.70 with the pips 86. Here you have 8.6 pips, 986, and then you have a profit from 97.70, 71. Then if you go here and put here 8.6 and click calculate, you get the same profit, the same value, which means you can use this Pip value calculator in order to calculate how much profit or loss you would make on the trade based on the number of pips. So before opening an order, this one I currently have open, you can predict what would be take profit and stop loss, what will be the price, calculate the price difference, which means the number of pips, put them here and click calculate, and you will get that in the deposit currency on your trading account. This way you can calculate in the deposit currency how much money you could make or lose on this trade. So if it is okay with your risk management, you simply continue. If not, you make other calculation. Select the number of pips, change the entry and also stop loss and take profit levels that are in order, in line with your risk management. This is how to use this Pip value calculator for the Canadian against CHF. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment below in the description. And then I will try to answer your questions with the next video. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!